Izuchukwu ibe na yana m.
Izuchukwu bụ isi ga. Ebe keke a ede.
APGA.
Abga.
APGA.
Abga.
Abga.
Yana wanne.
Kokoroko.
Chefo.
Kokoroko. Kokoroko.
Light of the nation.
Kokoroko. Kokoroko.
Saludo for governor.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Anambra State, the leader of ABGA, and the Chairman Board of Trustees, Chief Dr. Sir Willie Marabrochukwu Akpoko Edike, I salute you. The National Chairman of our great party, Ozom Dr. Chief Victor Ikeoye, Ozom Kochi Kwadori, I salute you. The State Chairman of our party, Sanoba Tobi, not the other one, but is a ghost. This one is alive and direct. Sanoba Tobi, I salute you. Our governorship candidate, Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, Bikudo Isuavia, Amekenegi, Amekene, your running mate, Dr. Nekachi Ibezim Ezedibia, Ezeyouth, Amekenegi, members of the National Working Committee of our great party here present, members of the Board of Trustees of our party here present, the Secretary of the Secretary of State Government, Professor Solo Chukwulobelu, members of the House of Representatives here present, there are two in number here present, Honorable Benjamin Obidigwe, Akoma Jidaku, and Honorable Dozie Ferdinand Wankwo, Oyindozi Osinachi Adema, members of the State Working Committee of our great party, the Chief of Staff to the Governor, I can see you, Chief Primus Odili. The trustees that are present are not many, so I recognize Chief Rubius Omuka Ogilisibo and others. Members of our party at all the levels, state, local governments, and wards, all the people here gathered. APGA, other guests that are here with us, they are all stakeholders in Anambra State. I salute all of you. I'll start with a song. Ihe niile gbasara anyị na-emetụ Chukwu n'obi, echiche udo, ọganihu ka ọ na-echere anyị, ọ naghị ekwe echiche mmiri n'ezo, amara Chineke ọbara ụba n'ebe anyị nọ, na-gbasara anyị na-emetụ Chukwu n'obi, echiche udo, ọganihu ka ọ na-echere anyị, ọ naghị ekwe echiche mmiri n'ezo, amara Chineke ọbara ụba n'ebe anyị nọ. Let me start by congratulating the All Progressives Grand Alliance, led by Chiwule Obiano as leader and Sir Victor Ikeoye as chairman. I want to congratulate all of you and all of us that are members of this party. It is congratulatory messages galore yesterday because the publication of the name of Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo and his running mate as the duly nominated candidates of APGA by INEC is worthy of celebration. Yesterday, the writing was done and the ego landed. The ego landed. When we chose Soludo as our candidate, it was a careful decision made by the party, including the leader who pointed at him as his worthy successor. We followed suit in endorsing him and supporting him and voting for him massively at the primary conducted here on 23rd of June 2021. At the time of publishing names, a twist came. You saw it. The party came together, fought for it, and eventually the Court of Appeal in Kano did justice to the matter, paving the way for his publication. That is why I'm congratulating the party for this feat, because I can tell you that it was only yesterday that all the confusion reigning in the media was effectively arrested. Is Soludo contesting? Is he the candidate? Can anybody ask that question again? Soludo is the candidate and is going to contest on November 6th and is going to win with APGA. So this is the first celebration. That's why I'm congratulating the party and its leadership. Number two, today the party is inaugurating the campaign council, people who will manage the campaigns for the party. I want to say that this campaign council is a subcommittee of APGA as a party. It's a subcommittee of APGA as a party. If you are a parliamentarian, you will be conversant with the word committee of the whole and standing committees of the parliament. When it comes to committee of the whole, every parliamentarian is a member of that committee. This campaign council, every member of APGA is a member of this committee. Every member of the party is a member of this committee. It should be a committee of the whole. Everybody must be on duty for APGA to deliver in this election. As I'm saying it now, let me also emphasize that this election is a special election in the life of our party. Therefore, everybody will be involved, both former officers, those who have served, and given space for new leaders in the party. Everybody must come back. All of us will come out as the reserve energy of the party to come together to deliver in this election. Former ward chairman, former councillors, former local government party chairman, everybody, when you serve, you wait, you get into the reserve bank for the party. When an important project comes, everybody is recalled to duty. So today, Governor, you are going to inaugurate with the chairman of our party those who will manage on behalf of committee of the whole this election. So all of us are members of it. Once you're a member of the party, you're a member of the committee. So that when we go to the election, you won't be saying, oh, these are the committee members. There's nothing like that. You cannot be mentioned perhaps, but you have to work harder on those their names to be mentioned. That's the only way the victory can come. So I thank God for today, and I want to say that looking at the galaxy of party members here, I can say that we are ready for the work. We are ready. We are ready for the work. By the time we flag off on the 3rd of October 2017, we flagged off the second term re-election of Governor Willie Obiano. This place, like Honorable Bidigwe said, did not contain people. This one, we are going to spill over to Aroma Junction. The reason is that we have seen and read some people making pretenses that they want to come and take Anambra State. Let me stand here to say it. I have been here for the past 20 years. I've been a member of ABGA for 19 years. We have seen all manners of battles in this state as a political party, and we will triumph in all of them. This one will be a resounding triumph because the candidate, like the person who is going to succeed, was unanimously chosen by the party and liked by the people of Anambra State. When I saw the campaign council published in the newspaper by one of the parties, I said, is it a repeat of the invasion of Kuwait by Iraq? Is it what is being planned? This election is for the people of Anambra State. We are the Anambra people, and we are the people that will elect the governor. We don't want people from outside to come here. We don't want them to come here. You can support your candidate with your whole money, but don't come here. This state is Anambra State, and only the people of Anambra State will participate in the election here. In 2013, let me remind everybody, during the election of Governor Willie Obiano for his first term, one of my friends came here and stayed at Finotel Hotel. I'm talking about the present governor of Kaduna State, El-Rufai. I addressed a press conference here as national chairman of ABGA and asked him to leave Anambra State. I said he had no business here. Do you people know that he sued me for libel? We are still in court. I'm still in court with him till today. He sued me that I had no reason to call his name and say that we are still in court for libel because I said the election is for Anambra people. I repeat it today. This election is for Anambra people. Let us allow us to elect who we want. ABGA has a strong scorecard in Anambra State. Very strong scorecard. When people want to go for election, let them check the scorecard of the people in authority, the party in power. If you have nothing to do to beat that scorecard, you stay away. I don't see what they are coming here to do in November 2021. Apart from having a very strong scorecard, Governor, you have added an international airport. Apart from all anybody can enumerate, you've added international airports. Planes have been landing there. We are waiting for commercial operations flight operations to resume. Is it this scorecard that anybody will do a Marshall Plan and bring people even from Cotonou to come and win here? We know what we want as Anambra people. We know the performance of the governor, and we know the performance of ABGA for the past 16 years. Here, nobody can beat it. So let's allow Anambra people to joyfully elect a very capable successor to Willie Obiano, Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo. That's what we have gathered here to do. As my party members, I've been here as the founding member of this party. I have the history book of events in Anambra State. So I plead with all my party members, ABGA members, to come together. Even those who have served before, they should come out. This is the time. The bugle has been sounded. It's for everybody to rise up and come to duty. Everybody. To those who are complaining, as the chairman of the Peace, Reconciliation and National Outreach Committee the governor set up, we have interacted with our party members, so many stakeholders. We have met with state working committee, we've met with local government chairman, we've met with ward chairman, we've met with people who contested the primary with Soludo. Daniel Okolo is here, Igiligi Anedo. He's here, sitting here, he contested. And all of them pledged to work for the success of this party. All the people we have interacted with, everybody wants APGA to win. And our parting words had always been through that committee, let us put our eyes on the ball. There are people who are parading in the social media, aggrieved aspirants association in APGA. I'm inviting them to come and see our committee. If you are aggrieved and you form an association, if your party does not win an election, you'll die with your grievances. Will the association of aggrieved aspirants go to another party? They don't understand that language. They will chase you away. So the only thing to do, the only option we have is for everybody to come back here. Let us work for the victory of APGA. Let us continue on the mission of APGA for our people. Let us continue on the services APGA has been rendering to Anambra State. That is my prayer, and I'm inviting them to do that. Those who dwell in the past, they will miss tomorrow. Tomorrow is by the corner, and the governor has done his best. He has kept the flag of our party flying, and is going to hand it flying very high to the incoming governor through APGA. That is our mission. For those who are in courts, various courts, I want to say, we have told them before, when the Gawa judgment came, we said it will not stand. We canvassed this opinion. Everybody fought, even national chairman, his eyes were falling off on television, shouting. And we told them pointedly that this haste will not stand. The Court of Appeal in Kano did the same time, removed it. Now I hear they are in Owerri, they are in Abuja FCT. I don't know where else where they are, but this is not the first time. Although when I was chairman, they sued me all over Nigeria, and they failed all over Nigeria. The same way, this action which they are carrying now, let nobody be troubled. They will fail all the way. There's no chance. If a matter is ill-conceived, it does not survive when you put it to a strict test of law. So on that note, let nobody say there is still something anywhere. There is still nothing left. Let us start today. Your Excellency, when the committee is inaugurated, then we'll go to work. Our committee, our doors are open for everybody. Nobody will be missing in this battle. Nobody. Ndị abụọ nọ n'ime na-ekwu asụrụ m oyibo maka ndị TV. Mana ọ ga-adị mma ka unu ghọta na ọ ka mma na anyị ncha jikọrọ aka ọnụ wee jee elekshọn a nweta mmeri. Onye nweta mmeri okwu ihe ọ chọrọ. Ọ bụrụ na ya enwetara mmeri, o nwere ihe ị ga-achọ, ị ga-anakwu. Ndị chọrọ inweta mmeri ka soro keta oke onye aka elu. Onye ọbụla chọrọ ka enweta mmeri ka onye ọbụla keta ibe. Onye rụọ mmeri APGA ga-enweta mmeri. Ọ ibe nna ya. Onye ewetila iwe, onye iwe na-ewe ji nwayọọ. O nwere ife ọ ga-eweta ya n'iwe. Ọ inwe ndidi iri azụ ukpo. Ọ ibe ndị Igbo na-ekwu. Wee na-asị na tata we are on a strong start. This inauguration of this committee, everything will follow it. Everybody should be ready to do any work. Mr. Governor, Your Excellency, I am a roving member of this committee, roving member. In other words, there is no job I will not do. There is no job I will not do. If it involves being a collection agent at polling booths, send me where it is most difficult. I'll stay there. I've done it before. In 2011, I was local government collection agent in Imo State, in Mpitori, where it was a hotbed. I went there with my tag as national chairman. And by the next day, after I got 24,000 votes, PDP 12,000. So here, there's no job that is too big for anybody or too small. Let us apply ourselves to the need that Abga must win. Wherever you find yourself, work from there and put in your best. I am always more victim in this election. I get anywhere there. Almost just in there, I want special envoy. I'm gonna have until I bought result, I'm gonna win here. I'm gonna win here. So if I can talk to you and let me congratulate our party people in advance. I won't say that it's going to be very easy. If I say that it is going to be very easy, I'll be deceiving myself. This state, I know who are who here. So we are going to win because of our strong card, because of our candidates, and because of what Governor Obiano has done. On that note, I want to say, APGA, Abga, Olugodo Hume, Onye Agbana Ọsọ, Olugodo eji ama nne onye, ndị Abga ụlọ ya pụtakwọ, anyị ga-arụ ọrụ a, lụka anyị arụ, anyị ga-arụ ọrụ a megide lụka anyị arụ, atụa vote anyị ewin ya, awin ya n'ime n'ibe dị n'akwụkwọ. Onye ọbụla nọ ebe a soro n'ọrụ ga-enwe nchekwube na oge eketa oke ya. Sọtụrụ ya azọpụta na Abga win. Abga win ya, Ezigbo ga-adị happy, Ojukwu ga-adị happy, anyị niile ga-adị happy. Ọ bụrụ na ya nọrọ ya, ịma na ihe a na-ekwu abụrụ ya. APGA, Abga. So all the veterans should come back, everybody, plus the current leaders. Ayinime on all work together. By the grace of God, everything will turn out for good and for celebrations.
Amen.
I thank you very much.
Amen.
God bless everybody here. All right.
I don't say okay, so low, but I'm never one only when they were I break it down. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is that time to invite the man